Hey Trumpets, thanks for tuning in for Those Dynamic Drummers. That's right, this piece celebrates our tempo keepers, our beat markers, and our rhythm masters, the drummers back in the percussion section. This piece is in 4/4 time, and it's got a B flat, first valve, in the key signature. But along the way, it uses all kinds of notes. E flat, second and third, F sharp, second, and I think that's it even. But, F natural, first finger. That's another note that it uses. Let's get to practicing. Grab your trumpet and your sheet music for Those Dynamic Drummers, and let's play the first line of the sheet music. It starts with some rests. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. There's a note I didn't point out, G sharp. G sharp is 2 and 3, like E flat, but slightly higher in our pitches. Let's do that first line again. 1, 2, beginning, go. Rest, 2, 3, and. 2, 3, 4, 1. Those eighth notes actually are part of line number 2, or measure 6. Let's start there. In measure 6, and let's play to measure 22. 6, skip over 14 to 22, or skip through 14, rather. Ready? Measure 6. Here we go. 1, 2, eighth notes, go. Along the way, we had F sharps and F naturals, second fingers and first fingers. We had E flats and E naturals, second and third for flat and first and second for E. And we also, that was all of them in that section. So because there's so many different changing notes, if you need to mark a few, it's okay until you memorize them and then erase them from your music. Now we're going to pick up where we left off in measure 22. It starts F sharp for 3 counts. And then we have a G sharp that's coming up, 2 and 3 for G sharp. G sharp's actually the first note of line number 5. You can put a 2-3 underneath it with a pencil if you need to. 22, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 22. G sharp, go. 2, 3, 4. Let's play that section one more time. 1, 2, 22, F sharp, go. G sharp, go. A, go. Now we're at measure 30, and we've got C, F, G, F sharp, F. So some F sharps and some F naturals. When it's marked with the sharp symbol, it's 2. When it's marked with the natural symbol, the square, if it's marked with that, it's a 1. Here we go. Measure 30. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. At 38, we've got F sharp and then E. G sharp, 2 and 3, and then F sharp. Here we go, 38 to 46. 1, 2, 38, ready, go. At 46, the song sounds similar to when it did back at 6. So 46, and let's go from 46 to 54. We'll save the last line for the end. 46 to 54. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. And finally, the last line has a bit of a sound just like the beginning did, and it has some of the same notes as well. Remember that the G sharp is 2 and 3, and the A flat is also 2 and 3. Last line, 1, 2, F, ready, set, go. 3 beats. Last note, 3 beats. Just like that. Wow. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this and you've learned something and maybe even get inspired a little bit to practice through those dynamic drummers on your own. Try doing it with a metronome and set that metronome at a speed of 110 or 120 beats per minute and see if you can play through the piece without making any rhythm or note errors. Remember, if you need to, always grab a pencil and mark the fingerings to some of those special notes, E flats, G sharps, A flats, until you've mastered them, and then erase them to prove to yourself that you've mastered them. So I hope to see you again soon, and I hope that you'll keep practicing.